making fish and shrimp. Let's go. Yummy. 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 What? Alright, first we gotta do the season sub.
First string flunked history last year so they can come back and go to state. They'll never roll over.
You gotta show them the fish. They don't want to see you. They want to see the process.
The fish is right
They
here.
want to see the
The
process.
fish is right here.
You're not listening.
Tough practice, but a fun practice.
You're not listening.
Hey Bill, what's
Hello.
that over there?
Alright, first the season sub on the fish.
Show them
Okay.
the fish.
Sled.
That's the seasoning.
First the season salt on the fish. Then you gotta put the
Go, Bill,
garlic,
go, go.
and then the garlic comes
Bobby, start talking.
seasoning, and then the Badia seasoning. And then last you gotta put the onion powder. Got that? I forgot to tell you we're also making pasta. Pastaroni, angel hair with herbs.
Oh my god, the oven is all dirty. Be careful. Make sure it's all in there. It's okay. It's alright.
Okay. Alright, that's what we're making. Right there. Okay. The same steps for the shrimp that I told you to do for the fish. Yummy. Yummy. You've been hit by, you've been struck by a smooth criminal. Ow! Salads, salads, salads. Oh boy, I'm dizzy. Ugh. Ravioli, I like ravioli. Ravioli is the stuff you don't need. Yummers. Look at that little fishy. That's so good. I want to be the taste tester. Something's pulling back. This is done. This is... Alright, shrimp first.
Choo-choo trains. Oh, man.
That's cool.
The turtles. These men
Fish next. Very crunchy. Noodle. Oh, bye, Renata. Bye. Bye.